I apply glue firmly to one end to prevent cracks. Since this area gets sunlight, this step is essential. The other side will be finished with a urethane coating by the painter, so I don't apply glue there. It would interfere with the finish. The countertop spans 2,500 millimeters. Since it's too long to support itself without reinforcement, I add a bracket in the center for extra support. I made a similar bracket for the second floor last time, so I use leftover timber from that project. One piece of timber yields 2 brackets, perfect for this setup. I shape the bracket just like before, curving the bottom and adding a slight reverse curve at the tip. Even though the bracket is thin, proper installation makes it very sturdy. You might think brackets need to be thick to offer good support, but a well-secured thin bracket like this is strong enough for this project. I cut the curves in the bracket using a jigsaw. With hard wood, the jigsaw blade can drift off course, so I always finish by hand for precision. There's a saying, there's no tool better than the one you're born with, your hands.